Hello, this is Osman Gaygısız from training department. Welcome to simulation training for solenoid quality department. Today we try to describe the Hawker steering system, Hawker XP series steering system. It approximately takes about 10 minutes to describe this system. First, I try to locate the main component of the steering system of Hawker series. We have a hand wheel which is located on the left side of flight deck, cockpit. Try to remember that. On the right hand side we have no steering hand wheel, so only the captain side has hand wheel on the left hand side. That's the picture of this guy. And we have an hydraulic pressure line, and we have the selector valve in here. Here it is. It's located on the nose landing gear. That's the selector valve. And we have an actuator in here to move the nose wheel on the nose wheel to the left side or right side according to our hand wheel location. And we have an animation. So let's 30 seconds later, I think, we try to show you the animation. And another, we have cable drums in here. Here it is, cable drums to transfer rotary movements to do linear movements, so spring strut can control the nose wheel well. Let's start for the animation maybe. Here it is. According to our hand wheel, the selector valve directs the pressure lines any side of actuator. So the actuator moves the nose wheel from left side. For instance, another, here it is. It's the selector valve again directs to the neutral. Let's see the another one. Here it is. The right hand side, the selector valve, direct the hydraulic lines to do another chamber of actuator, so the actuator moves to the right side. Let's try to neutralize the system. Here it is, yeah. So for the steering system, safety precautions, during towing, towbarless truck or tow bar truck, we should, or maintenance staff should, disconnect the steering disconnect pin. They have to disconnect this. Why? Because the if the truck try to move the nose wheel or nose tires, the hydraulic pressure fights with the tow bar or truck. So to prevent the conflict, the maintenance staff or the towing staff, ground staff maybe, they have to remove this steering disconnect pin. So that's the main thing, or that's the main procedure before starting the tow wing to aircraft. Be careful about this because the system can damage the steering lines, torque tubes, etc., etc. So prevent these damages, we should remove the disconnect pin. Let's try to remove this. That's fine. Here it is. Let me describe the cable lines. Here is the control cables. We have cable tensioner on the system. As you see, we have a closed loop for mechanical movements. This closed loops has a cable tensioner on the system. The cable tensioner, the function of the cable tensioner is